Yes, it was
Yes.
exciting, and thank you for choosing me. I'm glad to join as an SME, help me kind of facilitate a very active discussion in an informal setting because people were relaxed and there was no formal slide presentation. Where we talked about the role of emerging technology in clinical trial planning and optimization. And there were some key takeaways that everyone agreed on, which basically says that technology is going to continue to influence clinical trial planning, and we will need to become more trained in it. We will need to become more aware in using it correctly, but also not replace the importance of human and site relationships.
The one-to-ones were great. It's nice with 20 minutes because you can dive in a little deeper. You know, other conferences, you speak for a few minutes as they kind of come to the booth, but 20 minutes is nice to get a nice depth. You get to understand their science. They get to understand yours, you know, in our case, you know, as a vendor, our software solution. And it's, you know, it's a nice amount of time. And then, you know, you got another 20 minutes and you got another person to talk to. So it's great. If you like fast paced and you like talking to folks and getting to learn, you know, their science and getting to share what you do, this is a great networking event for that.
I thought the vendors were great for two reasons. One, it's always good as a clinical operations executive to know what's out there in terms of what might come down the pike, in terms of what new ideas are cooking, what is developing in terms of better trial conduct. And second, it's good to meet face to face so you can identify individuals to go to when you're ready to use them. So those are the two reasons I think those one-on-ones are very helpful.
At the company, I spent the day today with an engaging group of people here at Proventa, and a really exciting, engaging environment. And we were able to meet with multiple people, have great one-on-ones, and the really wonderful thing is we had a great intimate setting to really dive deep and really understand what some of these people are doing in their fields, and we really learned a lot.
Amazing. Met some great people. We had great conversation. Very, very diverse set of topics. I tended to focus just on, you know, venture capital and the issues and headwinds that we're facing in the current biotech investing environment.
Oh, that's the best part. Lots of great time, very intimate group, and lots of opportunity to network with people.
I found it really well set up. Everything was moving along, and people were coming in with really good questions, and we were able to really dive into what they were doing and working on and how we might be able to help them.
It went well. I felt that everybody was really engaged. We had great moderators, and we had great topics, a pretty diverse set of topics, and it was just great meeting new people and seeing old friends as well.
Workings.
Networking is wonderful. Most of all, I enjoy just talking to people, whether that's in the networking event or in the roundtable sessions. I think it's a great venue and a great atmosphere to have very open dialogue and real conversation rather than sitting in front of you know, 20, 30 slides where people tend to drone out and fall asleep. So it engages with people, so I really loved it.
Oh, I thought it was fairly diverse. We had everybody, of course, in from clinical operations to private equity, to early VC funding, executives, but also, you know, everywhere from mid-level management to executives as well. So I thought it was very, very diverse, and from other areas of the United States as well.
It was really, really good. I enjoyed meeting CEOs, vice presidents of clinical development, vice president of clinical operations, quality, regulatory. It was a good interaction with lots of different kinds of people.
It was a really nice mix of senior to mid-management folks and executives bringing their very real life perspectives, discussing issues with conduct of biopharma business, everything ranging from IPO challenges, funding issues, clinical trial recruitment, use of technology. I think it was great. I also got to meet a few of my other older colleagues, so it was a great networking opportunity.
I found it enlightening. I learned a lot from my fellow panelists. I thought the questions that were asked were very direct and pointed, and were true to the topic, at hand. So I thought it was a great engagement, and I learned a lot.
It was good. It was a really good interactive session, and we really delved deep. And I actually got to share my experiences with setting up efficiency for global clinical trials.
So,
Yeah, I chaired two panel discussions today. So both on the financing environment and what companies need to do to not only get through 2025, but more importantly, looking ahead, what can they do today to get ready for 2026, whether they're raising money, whether they're trying to grow the company and just deal with the global macroeconomic environment, which sometimes can get a little crazy right now. So, but I think we're moving in the right direction.
The keynote was a great chance. We got great questions and great feedback. People were really focused. We had people taking pictures of our slides. We had people participating. In fact, we didn't even get to the end before we started getting questions, and that was great. We just sort of took them as we rolled, and yeah, we really enjoyed the chance. And the great part was the people that we had in the one-on-ones then were literally sitting there and asking us questions, and we already had that connection with them, and so we could go deeper. Enjoyed it. Yes, I would come back again.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yes, unfortunately, you're going to have to live with me again. So I look forward to coming back and seeing all of you there. So thank you.
Oh, I definitely would. I love San Diego. I love the location, and I thought that the topics were actually current and actually timely as well. And I learned a lot.
Oh, I would. I definitely would, and I like the organizations of this session. It's very private, it's intimate,
yes.
and it's well run and good food.